A legislator in the Philippines has urged Congress to provide additional fundings and for the Philippine Navy to expedite the acquisition of more warships, as China aggressively invades the West Philippine Sea and claiming it as their territory. The United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea on July 2016. The Philippines won historic case against China, that makes China's 9-line illegal under the international law. Congressman Johnny Pimentel, chairman of the Committee on Strategic Intelligence of the House of Representatives, said that the Department of National Defense should procure a total of 16 new warships in a span of 3 years, 4 frigates and 12 corvettes. Congressman Pimentel said in a statement, and I quote, "Instead of getting these 16 new combat ships in phases between now and 2028, the Navy should get them all by 2025. In the annual national budgets from 2022 to 2025, Congress should also provide the additional appropriations needed for the Navy's expedited acquisition of the new warships." Unquote. The Philippine Navy is currently under process of acquiring 6 offshore patrol vessels from either Thailand or Australia, and lately for the acquisition of 2 corvettes and several small boats. Defense Secretary Delfin Lorenzana welcomes the recommendation of Congressman Pimentel to allocate more funds to procure military assets. The Armed Forces of the Philippines also seeks to acquire assets like submarines, land-based missile system, and a squadron of multi-role fighter. The Defense and Navy officials on Friday, March 12, 2021 visited Naval Group in France. The Navy plans to acquire 2 diesel-electric submarines as part of the Philippines Submarine Force. The acquisition was already approved by President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, but funding is not yet confirmed. So far, the Armed Forces of the Philippines is having a hard time looking for funding due to COVID-19, when a lot of funds for AFP modernization has been reallocated to fund the COVID-19 testing, financial assistance for millions of Filipinos and financing COVID-19 vaccines. This makes the revised AFP modernization program behind schedule.